If you are experiencing a screen glitch while playing Roblox on your mobile device, then here are methods you can try to fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly is a restart Roblox app. Sometimes a simple restart of the Roblox app can fix glitches caused by temporary bugs or loading issues. Simply go back to the home screen and open Roblox again. After you open the Roblox again and check if the screen glitch persists. Now, all you have to do is go to the Settings app on your mobile device. If restarting the app does not help, then you can try clearing the cache and data. For that, go to the Settings, tap on the General, tap on the iPhone storage, then go to the Roblox and tap on the Offload app option available there and clear cache and data for iPhone. In Android, go to the Settings, Apps and tap on the Clear Cache option available there and open the Roblox app again and log in if this issue is resolved. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.